So, let's dive into the world of centipedes. These remarkable creatures have intrigued scientists and nature lovers alike for generations. Today, we're going to explore what makes centipedes so unique, from their ancient origins to their fascinating anatomy. Centipedes are fascinating arthropods belonging to the class Chelopoda. Despite their name, which means 100 legs, they rarely have exactly 100 legs. Instead, their leg count varies widely depending on species and age. These creatures have been around for over 400 million years. Fossil records show they lived alongside early plants during the Silurian period. This makes them one of Earth's oldest land predators. Centipedes are invertebrates, meaning they lack a backbone. Their bodies are segmented, with each segment typically bearing one pair of legs. This gives them their characteristic elongated and flexible form. So the number of legs centipedes have can actually range from fewer than 30 to more than 350. Each time they molt, they add more body segments, and well, more legs. This means older centipedes often have more legs than younger ones. Unlike millipedes, which are slow and herbivorous, centipedes are fast-moving carnivores. Their speed and venomous fangs make them skilled hunters. This fundamental difference often confuses people who, mix up the two creatures. Centipedes possess modified front legs called forcipules. These act as venomous claws to inject toxins into prey. This unique adaptation makes them efficient killers in their habitats. Their venom varies by species, with some strong enough to subdue small mammals. For humans, most centipede bites are painful but not life-threatening. However, larger species can deliver intense pain and swelling. The largest centipede in the world is Scolopendra Gigantea. It can grow over 30 centimeters long and is found in tropical regions of South America and the Caribbean. This species is powerful enough to hunt bats and lizards. Centipedes are primarily nocturnal. They hide under rocks, logs, and soil during the day to avoid predators and dehydration. At night, they emerge to hunt insects, worms, and even small vertebrates. Their segmented bodies allow them to move quickly in a wave-like motion. This agility helps them chase prey and escape threats. Their legs are positioned laterally, providing excellent grip on various surfaces. Centipedes are, fascinating when it comes to their senses and where they live. They thrive in a wide range of habitats, from damp forests to dry deserts. Despite their simple appearance, they use their environment to their advantage, hiding under rocks, logs, and leaves to stay safe and hunt effectively. Centipedes have poor eyesight or are completely blind. Instead, they rely on antennae to sense vibrations, smells, and movements. This heightened sensory ability makes them deadly ambush predators. Most centipedes breathe through spiracles connected to a tracheal system. These small openings are spread along their body segments. This allows oxygen to, diffuse directly into their tissues. Centipedes are found all over the world. They inhabit forests, deserts, caves, and even human dwellings. Their adaptability makes them, honestly, successful survivors in diverse environments. Some species are adapted to extreme habitats. Desert centipedes withstand arid conditions, while cave-dwelling species thrive in total darkness. This flexibility really highlights their evolutionary success. Female centipedes often show maternal care. They lay eggs in soil or rotting wood and coil their bodies around the clutch. The mother guards them until they hatch, fending off predators and fungi. Once hatched, young centipedes resemble miniature adults. They undergo several molts as they grow, gradually developing more body segments. This process is called Anamorphic Development. Centipedes are solitary creatures. They avoid others of their kind except during mating. Cannibalism is not uncommon if two centipedes encounter each other. So mating rituals vary, but males usually deposit a spermatophore for females to absorb. This indirect fertilization, actually reduces conflict between the sexes. Afterward, the female lays her eggs and begins her maternal duties. In ecosystems, centipedes play a vital role as natural pest controllers. By feeding on insects and small animals, they help regulate populations. This really makes them important for ecological balance. They also serve as prey for birds, mammals, amphibians, and reptiles. Despite their venom, they are not invincible. Their presence in food chains highlights their interconnectedness with other species. Humans and centipedes have, a pretty complicated relationship. Our interactions with them often reveal as much about us as about these fascinating creatures. Humans have mixed reactions to centipedes. In many cultures, they are feared because of their venomous bite and appearance. However, others see them as useful allies against household pests. In traditional medicine, some cultures use dried centipedes as remedies. They are believed to treat ailments such as convulsions and arthritis. While not scientifically proven, this shows their cultural significance. Centipede locomotion has even inspired robotics. Engineers study their movement to design flexible, terrain-adaptive machines. This demonstrates how nature can influence technology. Scientists continue to study centipede venom. Its unique proteins may hold potential for new medicines, particularly in pain management. Research into their toxins is still ongoing. In conclusion, centipedes are ancient, adaptable, and often misunderstood predators. Their biology reveals incredible evolutionary strategies for survival. Though feared by many, they remain one of nature's most fascinating creatures.